Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy A3 Core. Basically this is a phone, this is a budget smartphone. It will cost you around $100 and this is basically like M01 Core or A01 Core. It's basically the same phone. So let's power this up and take a look inside the box. As you can see here, this phone is for the African market and it has 24 months of warranty. Inside we have the usual paperwork and we have a charger. It's a simple micro USB charger which is unified, not separated with the cable and the headphone brick. Also inside the box we have the SIM ejection tool. This is a map of Africa if you don't know, and I was using this phone before. As you can see here we are straight on the menu. It's really like A01 Core. Now worth mentioning that this phone A3 Core, I believe that this phone is made for the African market, while A01 Core is made for the European market and US market, while the M01 Core is made for Asian and Indian market. Anyway, straight out of the box we see that we have Android version here. It's Android 10 and the phone has 16 gigabytes of storage and 1 gigabyte of RAM. I believe that this is also available with 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. I only managed to find this one with 16 gigabytes of storage. And as we can see here we have 10.4 gigabytes available and we don't have a lot of apps installed here. All of these apps are working from Chrome here. Let me connect to the internet. Now this phone has Android Go, even though it's Android 10 written there. And I would recommend you install the light version of the apps, meaning that you don't install the normal Facebook app, which is big and this phone cannot handle it. You will need to install Facebook Lite or other apps similar to that. Let's say you don't install Messenger, you install Messenger Lite. If you don't install TikTok, you install TikTok Lite. You can obviously install WhatsApp, Viber, but I am installing only YouTube to check out the screen resolution. Now before I continue, because I forgot, when we go to About Phone, we see that the model number is SM-A013G, and meaning that it's the same model number as A01 Core. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. Now let's open YouTube and take a look at a video just to see the maximum resolution this phone provides. We have a 720p display here. I was searching this phone on the internet and I could not find any specs of this phone. And let's take a look at the camera. We only have two options here, only photo and video. On the video size we see that the maximum resolution is 1080p, but the display is 720p. So yeah, it's a fast phone, and this phone is not, I would say, like, if you are an average user of a phone, this is not for you. This is a phone for old people that only will use this phone for WhatsApp or YouTube videos. This phone is not for the average consumer which will install a ton of apps. This is not for you. This is a phone for a kid or an old person. Here we see that we have the volume buttons, and here we have the power button. On the top don't have anything. On the left we have SIM tray, while on the bottom we have the micro USB port, the headphone jack, the speaker and the microphone. Also on the back we have the single camera. And this was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.